my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. What I've got for you now is Thorntons milk chocolate caramel crunch. Crunchy biscuits with a delicious caramel layer and dried fruit and nuts smothered with milk chocolate. There you go. Well, Thorntons is a great make, so yeah. Right. Yep. Right, well, let's give it a taste test here on my channel, James Higgins Open World. We come out like that. Here we go. Two, 4, 6, and 8. Look like that. So that's One second. Well, for Thorntons, you know my marking system, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 we go starting off the charts. These are a big disappointment, massive disappointment. Marks out of 10, and this is a disappointment. You need to do better Thorntons than this. 2 out of 10. You heard me right, there were 2 out of 10. Anyway, if you like this review, please subscribe.